Hello and welcome to this lecture. Today we are going to discuss what is aging and aging depend upon which factors. Old age is a concept of longevity in human being and it depend upon following factors such as intrinsic genetic process, environmental factors, lifestyle, then we have age related disease. When we talk about intrinsic genetic process, we have to understand that the cell have to be undergone a process death, and we call them as apoptosis, programmed cell death, and it depend upon exogenous factors and endogenous factors. So the scientists did lot of research on identical twins and to understand their life and how much they live. So they found that the genetics have played an important role in aging the process, and if uh, their genetic makeup in such a way that their program cell death can be delayed and that can be expressed in aging. For example, researchers found that people that are living more than 100 years, they have lack a important carrier which is known as apolipoprotein E4. And this allele is responsible for neurodegenerative disease such as Alzheimer, and this is an important carrier that is not present in uh, people that are living longer. Then we have the environmental factors which also important for living long years, such as the presence of smoke in the universe can cause multiple disease such as stroke, and a lot of research published recently that are explaining that the presence of smoke can cause stroke or patient having risk of getting stroke. Then we have asbestos, which has been used in construction for insulation, and we found that the asbestos can cause cancer, especially the lung cancer. Then when we talk about the lifestyle, it is also very important. For example, your eating habits is important, because if you eat lot of junk food or fat containing diet, then you can get obese and it can lead to cardiovascular complications. Our lifestyle related to you smoke, because smoking kills. Then for example, if somebody is alcoholic or drug abuser, so they all are responsible for reducing your life. Then we have age related disease such as atherosclerosis, diabetes mellitus, hypertension. Then we have respiratory diseases. So these diseases are also responsible to shorten your life. And so it in short that the aging depend upon multiple factors. It depend upon your genetic makeup, or it can depend upon the environmental factor, where do you live. Then it depend upon your lifestyle, your eating styles, your habits. Then it also depend upon the age related disease as well. So thank you so much for today's lecture. Hope to see you again.